Look at that, will you? Do you see that? Yeah, that's not down where it's supposed to be. Oh. No, look. It's up there. We had one heck of a wind. Look at my wood pile back here. Blew my wood pile down. Part of it anyway. And a heck of a storm come through. Right in line. That'd be a northeasterly wind. And right in line with that, right there, look at there. Bill Goudy checking in. Found a few mushrooms. You see that? That's what I'm talking about. Look right over there. See if I can find it right there. Them are yellers. I didn't even see. I got 5 gray ones this year, and now we're right into the yellow season. Not much for grays, but there's another one right up there. Plenty big enough, that's for sure. Now there's a nice one, and it's just popping up, nice and fresh. And yeah, I've had people try to tell me that they get bigger, and they don't. They pop up that size. They come right out of the ground, fold it over, and they pop up whole. That's just the way they are. I don't know what you call that. I call them horsecock, but that's a, I don't know, I eat them. They're like a morel. They might even be a morel, just deformed morel. It's all stem. Now look at this one. Now you can see it's been up for quite a while. It's rotted off on the root, and there's a bunch of little, I don't know if I can show you. There's little bitty bugs that are eating that. Yeah, they're jumping off of that. They're little, like, can you see? I don't know if my camera will focus, but they're little bitty bugs in there, and they're eating that mushroom up. And that's what happens to them if you let them go. Yeah, little bugs eat them. They like them too. Here's a gray, just popped. See, come up. They come up from the side. They come up, and the reason I know this is that a while back we harvested some trees, and we had some heavy equipment in here, and the mushrooms popped up deformed wherever the tire tracks for those off-road tree harvesters were, and yeah, they come up deformed. There's another one right over there. Can you see that? Let's see if I can zoom in. So I'm getting both grays and yellows. It's just that kind of year. Plenty of moisture. And I think there's another one right there. I have to go over there and check it out. Oh, there's 2 right there. In fact, I think those 2 right there are little. And I think what I'll do is I'll put a flag by them, and I'll check them tomorrow and the next day before I pick them, and see if they get any bigger. Okay, there's another little one, and it just popped. And here's my Kershaw. I can't remember what this is. 1320. You can see that. Yeah, it's a little one. I'm gonna put a flag by it, and these other 2 right here, and come back in the next. I'll come back tomorrow and the next day, and we'll just see if they grow any. Those are fresh. Little grays. You can tell that this ground is wet, very wet. We've had a lot of rain. Look at here. How many years do you think this has been littering? It's been there a long time. I haven't seen pull tabs in, I don't know, since the what, 70s? Crush. It says dispose of properly. Yeah. So they just throw it out in my woods. What do you think about that? Alright, I found two more. One right here. It's real fresh. And I don't know if can you see that one right there? It's real fresh too. I'm gonna put a white flag by both of those and see if there's, these are just, I know these just popped up. I've already walked through here once. So that's how fresh they are. Let's put a flag here and just see what happens. I might be surprised, but I don't believe they get any bigger. I think they just pop up just the way they are. And that's a sad story, because a lot of times I'd like to have them bigger. These are the kind I like, the kind to trip over. You can see my Kershaw knife. Yeah, and that one just popped. It just popped. You can see where it came up through the leaves. It's coming up and just unfolding. That's how they do it. It's wet. It's real wet. It's been rainy, soggy. And I hope to find more tomorrow. I didn't get to look this morning. It was raining this morning, and got out this afternoon for just a few minutes anyway, and got a few. Big Bad Brad got a turkey, second turkey, and I'm making some turkey jerky in the smoker. Check that out. Whoa, don't do that for too long. We'll leave that smoke. Ah, that's wild turkey. Thanks to Big Bad Brad. Wild turkey jerky. Thank you, Keith. Thank you, Bobcat Guy. His link is down below. He gave me that thermometer. Make sure I get the internal temperature to the right temperature. That's for sure. Hey, look at this. That says Trenton, New Jersey, April of this year. Check out what's inside. We look at that. Somebody sent me that ticket. I guess I gotta go. Now the guy I thought would send this to me was from Florida. This says Trenton, New Jersey. I want to thank whoever it was. And I'm thinking it was somebody. But maybe time will tell. Listen, I'm going to have me an ice cold beverage. Yeah, a vessel of amber fluid, I think. I'm just going to have a chef salad tonight. I'm so tired. This rain, yeah, it's really knocking the crap out of me. But, yeah, we got plans. I got big plans for tomorrow. So, thank you for watching. Good Goudy out.